You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and this word. It's also a word, and we'll be looking at how to say more interesting Spanish names in particular, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So this word in Spanish means loneliness, but it's also a fairly common Spanish name. Now in Spanish it is said as soledad, or in Castilian Spanish it's actually said as soledad, with more like a th sound at the end, so that would be in Spain, soledad, but in the rest of Spanish-speaking countries, it's generally said as soledad, with a stress on that last syllable. Now in English, soledad is how it's usually said. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.